Hello, in front of me I've got Opel Grandland. In this video I'll show you how to unlock and lift up the hood. In the beginning, take a look at the bottom of the dashboard. Right here we've got this lever. Pull it to unlock the hood. Now we have to find the second lever, which is mostly located in the center of the hood. But sometimes it can be located on the sides. Right here. Push it upwards, and now you can unlock and lift up the hood. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.